Hello and welcome to this video. What is Oracle SQL Developer? Oracle SQL Developer is a free graphical user interface tool. So it is used to interact with Oracle databases. It is a useful administrative tool for database administrators, and it makes them more productive. So it's a useful productivity tool. They can use it to perform a variety of database related tasks. From the SQL Developer, you can run SQL queries. You can connect to databases. You can also create database objects like database tables and other related database tasks. So let's go ahead and download, then install the Oracle SQL Developer. So open up your web browser and open up Google if you're using Google as your search engine, and just type in Oracle download, and that will give you the page for the downloads for Oracle software. So I'm going to click on this. This is my download. Depending on where you are, I'm in UK, so it's going to give me a UK download page. So I'm just going to scroll down and look at the various download options. The one I want is going to be developer tools. So if I scroll down, there should be an area for developer tools, or I can just click on it. If I click on this area here, it takes me to the developer tools area, and you can see here we've got different tools. The one I want is this SQL Developer. So I'm going to click on it, and that will give me the options for download. So depending on your operating system, so there is this 64-bit. It comes bundled with JDK, which is Java Development Kit. And if you're on a Windows 32, you download the relevant one. If you're running a Mac OS, download one for Mac. And if you're on Linux, just download the one relevant to your platform. I'm going to download the 64-bit because this is relevant to my platform. So I click to download. I will get a prompt to accept the Oracle license. I click on that. Make sure you have an account on Oracle before you download. If not, it will prompt you to create an account. So I'm going to click download, and it will prompt me for my credentials. I just need to enter my password for the download to begin. So I have entered my password. If you haven't got an account on Oracle, there is a link here to create an account. It's very easy and straightforward. So I recommend you do that if you intend to download any Oracle software. So I have signed in. I'm just going to click sign in, and that will begin the download of the software. It tells me here it's waiting. So there it is. I'll give it a few minutes to complete. The download is in an extracted format, in a compacted format. So you need a software extraction tool to extract the content before you can use it. All right, so I'm just going to give it a few minutes to complete the download, and then I will extract it using WinRAR. WinRAR is a free software extraction tool that you can use to extract software content. The download has completed. So I'm just going to go to the location of the downloaded file. So I'll click on that. I'll click show in folder. So it takes me to the folder where it downloaded. So this is the file. So it's in a compacted format, so it has to be extracted. I want to extract it into a folder. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it SQL Developer, and I'm going to extract the content into there. So I right click and then click extract files, and that will give me the location to extract the files to. So you can see here it's giving me the option So I'm going to extract it into this folder here, which is this, and I'll click OK, and it should have extracted it. So I double click, and this is it, SQL Developer. Just open it. You should see this application here, SQL Developer. The best thing to do is to save this icon to your desktop. So I'm going to right click and say send to my desktop as a shortcut. So it creates a shortcut so that anytime I want to start it, I just refer to that shortcut. So this is the shortcut for the SQL Developer. So anytime I want to access it, this is what I'll click on. So that is it for this video on SQL Developer. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.